Hey guys, it's really rainy right now, and you can see these are my jewelries that I wore on Raksha Bandhan. You can check them out around 6. I have to go back to my work. Yes, I realized because my family camera is a bit shaking, but I hope you guys are fine with it. So until you guys are actually watching my jewelry, I would like to tell you a short story about jewelry thing, like jewelry story. So the story name is The Last Gift. She found it in her grandmother's old wooden box, a delicate pendant, worn yet glowing as if it carried her heartbeat. So her grandmother once whispered, "Every woman should have one piece of jewelry that tells her story." The pendant had crossed decades, witnessed love letters, laughter, tears, and silent prayers. Today, as she clasped, as she clasped it around her neck, it didn't just sparkle, it spoke. It told her story now. What do you think about this story? Do you let me know in the comments? So let me do my work right now. You can just keep looking at the jewelry. It's damn beautiful. Hope you guys haven't gotten bored. So here's another story. The promise ring. On their first anniversary, he didn't bring roses or chocolates. Instead, he handed her a tiny velvet box. Inside was a simple silver ring, not extravagant, but it seemed, sh- but it shimmered like the moon. It's not about the price, he said softly. It's about the promise that no matter where life takes us, you'll never walk alone. Years later, the silver had scratches, but the promise still flawless. Okay, guys, I think you guys must have gotten bored of watching this story for today, or enjoyed my stories. Do let know in the comments, and I'll come back tomorrow.